Taste test the water. Okay.
Tastes like water.
It doesn't taste like nothing.
It's water. What is it gonna taste like?
Oh, disgusting.
It tastes like, it smells like duck.
No.
Taste the tonic water. Taste tonic water.
It smells like doo-doo.
No.
Alright, cheers, Ashley. No. Cheers.
Cheers.
Tastes bad.
Tastes like lemon water.
Tastes like lemon.